Hi, Luli and Annie. Today we're gonna view your lesson causes of surface change. I'm gonna share my screen. Give me one moment. It's here. Okay, making my face bigger. Okay. So as you know, different things change the surface of the earth. Okay, and we're gonna talk about that today. For our vocabulary of the day, we have these words. Channel, which means a passage of water to flow through on the deepest part of a waterway. We have the word delta. Delta is a deposit of soil and sand at the mouth of a river or a stream, as you can see here at the ends of the river, okay? We have the word erosion, which you know, a wearing or washing away process that usually takes place slowly and regularly. And here in the pictures, we have different examples of erosion, like water erosion of rivers and cliffs. And then we have wind erosion and the erosion that glacier caused or as landslide. Then we have the word glacier, glaciar in Spanish, which you know, it's a large ice mass formed from compacted snow like really pressed together in cold areas or high mountains, like what you see here in your picture. And then we have, oh, that would be it for vocabulary. Okay, so different things cause erosion. Wind and water cause erosion. Part of the Earth's surface is moved around from one place to the other, and that movement is called erosion. Erosion is one of the results of weathering. Gravity, moving air, and water also cause erosion. Wind moves soil and sand, and strong winds cause dust storms or sandstorms, or even a mild wind can carry soil, okay? Wind erosion happens especially in places where plant life no longer holds the soil in place, meaning that you don't have plants holding the soil and the soil is free to escape with the wind. Many deserts were formed by wind erosion. Also, running water causes erosion. Gravity pulls rainwater downward from high parts of the earth to rivers, okay? All of that sand and soil are carried with the water and deposited in low areas. Water washed sand and soil to the river to be carried until the river slows down, stops flowing that fast, and the sand and soil are taken to the end of the river to form a delta, like what we had in our picture here. Running water is also a cutting force. It cuts valleys, it cuts rock. And sometimes floods can cause erosion too. Floods carry soil from one place and deposit it in a different place. River channels are sometimes scarred by floods. This is what happens in the picture of this canyon and the water in it, okay? Wait, I'm gonna fix a little mistake that I see here. So you can copy my notes on your notebook so you have like really complete notes. Here, okay, and next. Glacier causes erosions too. Glaciers, as we were talking, are large moving masses of ice and snow. They move. And as they move, since they're so heavy, they make tracks on the rocks, okay? It's similar to what water erosion makes. They break rocks apart. They scratch it and scrape it. And the rocks and little pieces of soil are carried along with the glacier. Also, different things cause erosions, like living things, plants, animals, and people. Plants growing from a rock, they crack the rock, they break it, like what I have as a tree growing on a rock in this picture. A seed grows in a crack, and then roots grow larger and enlarge the cracks and keep breaking it more. Remember that we learned last year that roots can be really strong. Of course, this takes a lot of time. And also you are changing the surface of the earth. When you walk, you are breaking up the soil. You're grinding rocks together with your step. You're wearing down the earth. If you kick or pick up a rock and you move it from one place to the other, maybe if you like a rock that you saw in the street, you are changing the surface of the earth. Or when you step on mud and you carry it on your feet from one place to the other. And people erode the surface too, especially when we build things. Some pioneers, the people that started living in the United States many, many years ago, made changes that help erosion take place faster, like making trails. This is a trail, like this picture. I'm gonna make it larger for a moment. This is a trail, okay? A road, and it's not made like our roads in the street. It's only made of dirt, but they erode the soil. Also, you erode the soil when you farm because you need to take away all that there is and plant some seeds, but there's no grass. And you see that the erosion shows that all of that dirt is dry and cracked, and that's not good. And also, if you want to build a house, for example, you need to take away all of the trees that were growing in that place so you can build something, and that also causes erosion. Okay, girls, that will be it. Let me know if you have any questions so I can help you.